Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Stage Manager on Mac. Alright, let's begin. With Stage Manager on Mac, you can easily switch between tasks while keeping your focus on what's in front of you. To get started, click on Control Center in the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button to turn Stage Manager on or off. Click it, and Stage Manager will automatically arrange your recently used apps to the side of your screen, placing the one you are currently working on at the center. To switch to a different app, simply click on it to bring it to the center. If you are using an app with multiple open windows, Stage Manager will gather them into a single stack. Click the stack to view the top window and click it again to select a different window. When you click an app icon, a preview of all open windows will be displayed to the side, allowing you to review them at a glance. Click the window you want to use and it will move to the center. You can also have overlapping windows and multiple apps open simultaneously. To group apps together, drag one window to the center and pair it with another. You can create multiple app groupings with as many windows as you'd like. Clicking anywhere on your desktop will move Stage Manager out of the way so you can access files and drag them into open windows. So that's basically how you can use Stage Manager on Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!